Well, greetings YouTube. Today we have a replacement for, well, we had a penguin before, now we're going to have an ultrasonic cool mist humidifier LV450CH. I wonder if the CH is for China. It is definitely made. So we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to see what's in here. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and check out one of our other videos. We do a lot of vacuum reviews and various how-to fixes, so a lot of content there. Check the other content out. And let's see what we got. Well, we are greeted with 2 felt pads, a primitive toothbrush, and a bonus 1-year warranty to make you smile. Make sure there's nothing else in here. I wasn't sure if that was a DVD at first. Alright, so they got a very small manual. And they say to like them on all our favorite social media. Well, screw them. Like me instead on the social media. So they tell you not to tip it over. It's useful. So let's see what else we got there. Maybe we'll have an explanation for some of this other stuff. It's very light. It's much lighter than the other one. Well, this is maybe the fastest unboxing in history. Let's see what we got here. It's a interesting way of packing a cord up. So double twisted tied on the cord. Oh, let's see how long this cord is. It seems pretty short. So let's take the tape measure and find out. The cord is 4 feet 4 inches. Very good. Odd measurement for a cord to be, but that's how long the cord is. So, okay. Oh, that just falls off. Got a carry handle. Looks like 2-piece construction. It says, "Do not essentials inlet to the water tank." And I see right away there's a place to put the brush right there in the bottom. And this is nice, this big, you can get a lot of torque on this by hand. So if you have weak hands, that will be nice. We got 2 silicone gaskets. Maybe more rubber, pretty soft. This tank with an indicator on the side. So not as space age as it looks. Now let's take a look at the bottom. It appears to be a LED. There's a some sort of sensor here, so I guess if it gets too low, it's not going to work. It's really small. It doesn't list on here the square footage that this would do. So I'm beginning to think maybe this is going to do less square footage than before, but it holds about a gallon of water in here, which is nice. So let's go fill her up and see how she runs. Well, I filled her up, and I have to say, again, this is real nice because you can get a good grip on this. Appears to be no leaking coming from down there, and this handle, even though it's 2-piece construction, is really feels solid. So let's plug her in. Then suppose if you really wanted to, you could just run it without this thing. Oh well, it seems to that seems to be working very well. Got different colors there. Let's read the manual now and find out what the different colors mean. Alright. Here are the different colors. So, tap power button once, it's blue. That's the low setting. Yellow is medium. Purple is high. And then no color means it's off. And then red means there's no water. Oh damn. That thing is really going. I mean, I was not expecting that. Damn, that is really going. Alright. So now the question is, let me just break it real quick and see what happens when we pull that off, because I want to know. Alright. So you can snap that off if you want. Doesn't really make a difference. I just wanted to include, there's a small intake filter down here, and you're supposed to put like essential oils or smell good stuff down there, and that just loads down there, and that's not something that was blatantly obvious when you first click on it. And it's kind of like an SD card in how it's supposed to click in. But again, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. And I know it's hard to do on a smart TV, but I really appreciate the effort. And definitely check out some of our other reviews. And you can always catch us on Facebook and Instagram.